Hey guys, welcome back. Roland here with Myriad Services. Today I'm going to show you how to share your screen when you're in a Teams meeting, so stay tuned. So when you open your Teams, you will see on the very top panel next to the leave button, just make sure you don't press leave, right next to it is a square with an arrow pointing upwards. So that is how we're going to share the contents, okay, or share your screen. So press that. A window will open on the bottom showing you all the options that are currently available. So we're going to work from the left and make our way to the right. So I'll just explain what's what. So if you've got multiple screens, you can select from the multiple screens. So if you've got two screens, it'll say two screens. If you have three screens, it'll show you three screens. So in this case, we only have one, so it shows one. So if you want to share screen one, you can select screen one. Or you can show or share the windows that are currently open in this panel here, or in this section here. Or you can open apps that are associated with the team. So in this case, we've got Microsoft Whiteboard, or you've got Freehand by Envision. Or if you have pre-populated PowerPoint presentations, they're right here as well. Now if you want, you can browse, but for the purpose of this demo, we're just going to open a window that's pre-selected already for this. So let's open the Myriad Services tab. Now, how do you know whether if you're sharing the screen? Simple. There's a red box surrounding the presentation. So that shows you that this screen is currently presenting itself to everybody that's joined your joined your Teams meeting. So you can do your normal thing, show what you want to show, present it how you want to present it, and they'll see everything that you're showing. Alright, so to get out of the presentation, you can select the box next to the hang up button, which is the square with the X, and once you press that, you will start presenting just like that. Okay, and there you go, that's how you do it. So that's how you share your screen. Okay, so if you liked this video or enjoyed it, press the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, comment below. Now make sure you follow us on our social media, go to YouTube and subscribe to our channel. For now, I'll talk to you guys later.